Girl, the way you move your body, ride it with you, ride or die for your nigga, girl, like Bonnie. In the city with the top down, with you on my side in the Rari. I just wanna know if you that special somebody, that special somebody.
Yo, it's Mystic J, and if y'all wanna know how to make a thumbnail, stay tuned to the end of the video. Alright, let's get this popping. So first, y'all wanna download PicsArt. And PicsArt is like a photo editor or whatever. You can search up what you want. Like if you want a background, you can search it up. YouTube thumbnails. See, look, they got Fortnite and stuff on here. But we don't need that, so I'm gonna go find thumbnail myself. So click the plus, and you scroll all the way down. Let me find where it is. So you go all the way down, and you click on free photos or color background. Yeah, I'm gonna pick this one right here. So in this, you can do a lot. You can create a border. If y'all know what a border is, it's like your own frame, and you do whatever you want with your own frame. You can do text. So this is what I do on most of my thumbnails. I use text. I use Mystic J as the main thing, and you can change the font to whatever you want. My font about to look fire. Okay. Yeah, I want this one. Change the color. Yeah, but there's a lot of stuff you can do with this. You can change the color and everything. You can move the thing, move your text wherever you want. I want it down here. Oh, you could do like faded colors. See, I want a different color. Purple and black. I don't know. I'm just putting on anything because this is a demonstration of what you can do, and there's a lot more stuff you can do. There's a lot more stuff on here that you can do. You can also use these things. These are like backgrounds. You can use backgrounds on your text, which is weird. That's what I think is weird. This bubble makes your letters bubble letters, and I use this all the time. I always make it white, gray, or some weird color. My favorite color is blue, by the way. You know, blue. I ain't crypto, so. Well, what the heck? Oh, you can also change the darkness and stuff, like the texture. And you can add shadows. Shadows is something I rarely use, but if I use it, I make it look fire. So you can play with this. As soon as you download the app, you can just play with it. You know. So yeah, shadows. You can move the shadow wherever you want it. I'm gonna put it somewhere. I don't know where I'm gonna put it down. Let me put it down. I'm gonna put it back actually. Once you download this app, you gotta download YouTube Studio if you want to. I download YouTube Studio so I can edit the description and everything. Edit the description, the thumbnail, the title. I download YouTube Studio so I can keep track of my stats, like my views and all that. So you can expand. I did not know we could do this. So you can expand the letters. That's weird. What is this? I don't even know what that does. Anyway, I'm finding out new shit. So I want my letters as close as possible. This border is looking type ugly, but there's also other shit like FX, and you can really go into deep if you want. Like, you want the littlest details, like you're the person that thinks the littlest details matter. You can actually go to the tools section and check out all the extra stuff in there. I rarely use that stuff, to be honest. Alright, make the border wide, tiny, I don't know what this is. This is weird. Alright. Let me show you the FX real quick. FX. You can, if y'all don't know what FX is, it's like fucking FX. It's like a freaking filter. FX is like a filter. There we go. You can change the FX. They got a lot of free FX on here. If you're broke, because nobody's trying to pay for a thumbnail, you know, just trying to make a thumbnail for your video. Alright, I don't know what that was. Anyway, let me see what else is on here. Oh, you can add stickers too, and this is a tool section, the tools section. You can use YouTube, the YouTube thing. It has like the YouTube thumbnail size on here for you already, so you can just click on it and it'll make it for you, make the box for you. That's what you're gonna want to do first though, before you do anything. Like I did, I messed up, so now I gotta go all the way back to border and make a new border, you know. But it's all good, because we all go through mistakes and we learn from them. So I won't have to do it the next time, you know. I won't have to mess up again. Oh, they got frames too. These frames are type wax, so I'd never use them shits. Anyway, ooh, my thumbnail looking fire already. They got lens flares. I'm sorry, that sounds retarded. And you can use stickers. These are stickers I mainly use. These are stickers I was talking about at the beginning of the video. You can search up emojis. I search up laughing emojis and wild emojis because that gets a lot of people's attention. Add more text. Subscribe, you know. And I'm gonna show you these stickers. You can actually search up stickers. Alright, hold on, let me put this here real quick. But yo, YouTubing is fun as fuck, to be honest. I didn't mean to say that for you. Anyway, cause you know, demonetization. But anyway, but YouTube is mad fun. As soon as you start your channel, it's gonna be slow, and then you're gonna have to like share your videos to everybody so they can like watch it or whatever. Tell them to support you, you know, so you can make it up. Like my friend Nas, I helped him a little bit with some stuff, and now he got more subscribers than me. It's crazy. Anyway, get this shit off my screen, damn. Should be a blowing line. Alright, what the fuck is this shit? I don't know what this is. I don't ever use this. I think this is like, I don't know. What is this? Oh, that's like coloring and stuff. So yeah, you can draw and shit. Alright, so if you go to stickers, those are the stickers that I use. I didn't mean to start it like that, damn. But you can search up stickers. Search up backflip. Ooh, look at this backflip. Alright, you can edit it. Okay, let me, yeah, that looks fire. That looks fire. Alright, usually I would save this already, but you know what? I'm gonna just make it a little longer because I want to add some more stuff. Some people put like sexual stuff in the thumbnail. I mean, like I don't really do that, but I'm gonna do it just because it's big. But they don't got it. Ah, shit. Boobs. Let me search up boobs. Yeah, cause you know titties in the thumbnails gets mad clicks. You feel me? Anyway, you put this wherever you want. You know, Mr. J. Subscribe. You feel me? Subscribe. I'm telling you, you got to, cause this channel is about to be doing big things. I'm telling you. Alright, some Asian booty. Let's put this right here. Senpai face ass. Alright, here we go. So, yeah. Basically, this is it. And, you know, you can add extra. Here, I'm about to add a wow emoji. I'm about to add a wow. Hold up. This backflip looking type fire. You know, you can't forget the backflip. You know, you have to add the backflip in there. Flip it up, boy. I don't know how he caught that on camera, but he did. Anyway, bro, get this off my damn screen. Thank you, Jesus. Anyway, the wow emoji. Where should I put this? Put it right here. No, that look mad weird if I put it right there. Matter of fact, let me put it right there anyway. I don't care. I'll put it right here. I have to whiten it out. You got it the emoji however you want. Boom. Voila. Alright, to save the video, you click next. Once you click next, you click save. And then you click save again, and it'll save to your photos. Now, this is how you put the thumbnail on. You go to... You don't go here, but this is how you look at it. Yeah. So here, boom, this is the photo. Voila. Voila. You feel me? Now, if you go to the home screen and go to the YouTube Studios app, if you have it, you can actually click on your latest video. You know, for whatever video you want the thumbnail for. Click on the pencil. Click on edit thumbnail. And then change thumbnail. And then find the photo. And then put the photo on there. You click select. But I'm not gonna change that thumbnail because that thumbnail fire. But anyway, if y'all like this video, like it up, subscribe, and I'll catch y'all later.
I just be watching my words. You say whatever the fuck. I think I take what I get. They say whatever the love. This might hurt for days. Now I can't find my way. Say no, I'm just playing. On to the next like I'm okay. Hey, this a pimpin', can you tell?